Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up diagnose EV charger overheating warnings, complete guide step by step clearly. Connect your EV charger to a power source. Ensure the charger is properly installed and grounded. Check the user manual for specific instructions regarding your charger model. Power on the charger and access the settings menu. Locate the section for safety and diagnostics. Enable the overheating warning feature if it's available. Adjust the temperature threshold according to your preferences. If no threshold option is provided, note the factory settings. Monitor the charger's temperature during usage. Observe the LED indicators or display screen for any warnings. If your charger supports a mobile app, download it for real-time alerts. Connect the charger to the app and enable notifications. Review the historical data to understand any previous overheating incidents. If overheating warnings appear, immediately stop using the charger. Allow the charger to cool off before conducting any further diagnostics. Inspect the charger for any visible signs of damage or wear. Ensure proper ventilation around the charger's installation area. Check the electrical connections for any loose or damaged wiring. Contact customer support if unfamiliar issues persist. Consider professional servicing if problems continue. Regularly maintain your charger to prevent overheating. Review any firmware updates that may enhance performance and safety features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.